50 useful tips for speaking English fluently. 1. Be realistic about your English learning goals. Do not expect your English to be as good as that of a native speaker soon after taking up the language. It takes time. 2. Practice speaking as well, not just reading and listening. While reading and listening can help you learn a lot about the language, the only way to speak better English is by speaking it yourself. 3. Practice speaking English whenever you get a chance. Do not pass up a chance to speak English whenever one arises. 4. Get native English speaking friends and practice speaking with them. If you want to speak English like a native, you should have friends who speak it like you would like to. Number 5. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. They help you know where you need to make improvements to become a better English speaker. 6. Use simple sentences at first, then progress to more complex sentences. You have to start from somewhere. Do not struggle to master the complex language parts until you have mastered the basics. 7. Get a reliable English learning course. Having the right English speaking course can accelerate the rate at which you learn to speak this language fluently. 8. Make an effort to improve your pronunciation. The way you pronounce certain words could be the reason your English speaking skills seem a little off. So, practice saying some problematic words properly. 9. Try saying something extra. Do not give one word replies like yes and no. Try to say something more to build your skills and your confidence. 10. Learn from your mistakes. Once you learn, you tend to make a certain mistake. Work on getting rid of it, and over time, your English will improve considerably. 11. Listen to English language music. Listening to music that is sung in English can help you master how to speak the language faster, especially when you try to sing along to the lyrics. 12. Learn some English tongue twisters. Tongue twisters can reveal certain weaknesses in your speaking skills, and you can know where you need more practice to speak the language more fluently. 13. Accept English and all its uniqueness. English has some strange rules. Accept them and move on. 14. Try learning some new words every day. Every day, learn at least one new word and how to pronounce it to improve your vocabulary and speaking skills. 15. Try some public speaking. Public speaking events can really test how good your speaking skills have gotten. So, give them a try whenever you can. 16. Let English be all around you. When you spend your time in places where English is spoken, your English speaking skills will inevitably improve. Seek out places where English speakers gather. 17. Become part of a conversation group. This should increase your exposure to spoken English and help you have better speaking skills. 18. Read your favorite books aloud. Reading aloud will improve your confidence and enhance your flow when speaking in other situations. 19. Watch videos of popular songs online. Watch music videos, especially if they have the lyrics on screen. Try searching for the title of a song you like plus the word lyrics. 20. Try thinking in English. When you start saying things and deliberating in English, you will notice an improvement in your speaking skills as well. 21. Practice paraphrasing. Trying to say things you hear can significantly improve your speaking skills. 22. Conduct small talk in English. Whenever you have the chance, choose to carry on small talk in English. It will boost your speaking skills. 23. Try creating your own responses rather than repeating what people say. When you can come up with the ways to answer in English of your own, your speaking fluency can increase considerably. 24. Have confidence whenever you speak. Even though you have a lot to learn, always speak with confidence as this will improve the rate at which you master the language. 25. Learn to listen better. You can learn which language areas need improvement by listening carefully to how native speakers say certain words. 26. Substitute phrasal verbs for regular verbs. Native speakers usually use phrasal verbs instead of regular verbs, and you should learn to do this as well for better quality speaking skills. 27. Be passionate about English. When you are enthusiastic about learning English, you will learn how to speak it much faster. 28. Try to learn from everyone. While surrounding yourself with people who speak perfect English is a great way to learn English, you can also learn from those who make mistakes in their speaking. 29. Learn from your favorite personality or public speaker. Surely there is an orator or actor or actress whose speaking skills you admire. Listen to this person more and you will learn the language faster. 30. Watch children cartoons. Weird as this may sound, kids' cartoons can teach you plenty about speaking English, especially with regard to proper diction. 31. Don't focus on speaking exclusively. While speaking better English is the ultimate goal, polishing up your grammar and vocabulary will also improve your speaking skills. 32. If you haven't done so already, change the language on your computer or phone to English. This ensures there is more English in your life and the exposure will translate into better speaking skills. 33. Learn some short natural responses. You will have greater speaking confidence when you always know how to respond when spoken to, and short automatic phrases can help with this. 34. Follow the news. Listening to the English news can really improve your speaking skills as presenters often have excellent diction. 35. Record yourself speaking and have friends listen and comment on the recording. Sometimes we may not realize some of the issues in our speaking skills unless they are pointed out to us by friends. 36. Be ready for specific situations. Learn to speak English for special circumstances, such as when ordering in a cafe, when at a sports field, and so forth, to broaden your speaking skills. 37. Make learning English fun. There are many fun ways to learn spoken English, including taking part in games. 38. Practice speaking English in front of a mirror. This should be especially handy when preparing for public speaking events as it will boost your confidence. 39. Learn to say things in your own way. By learning to paraphrase English statements, you can avoid repeating statements so that you increase your speaking fluency in random situations. 40. Master some specific phrases. Knowing particular phrases can enrich your language and enhance your fluency. 41. Try writing based on new things you have learned. Writing can also improve your speaking as it will give you a hint of what you would sound like when you actually speak the language. 42. Retell a story or a joke in English. If you know a story in your native language, try retelling it in English and see how easy or hard it is. 43. Engage in English activities. Taking part in activities that involve the use of spoken English can make you more comfortable speaking the language. 44. Debate in English. Getting into debates in English on topics you love can really improve your speaking skills. 45. Don't rush your speech. If you have not yet mastered some words, speak slowly until saying them fast and comfortably becomes a possibility. 46. Listen and try to sing along to rap music. The music can help you learn the rhythm of some English words. 47. Try interrupting and interjecting politely. This will help you improve your speaking confidence and eliminate the anxiety that would come from not knowing when to speak. 48. Understand that there is always room for improvement. This means that learning English should be a long term commitment for you, even after completing an English speaking course. 49. Speak the English you know. The English you can speak the best is that which you have learned. Struggling to speak complex English you do not fully understand can derail your progress. 50. Try to be realistic. Know that it will take time to learn English and that an accent might always be evident in your speech. Learn to accept that.